today I came up with my new video, as traveling and exploring new places is my passion. So today I'm going to show you a very beautiful place, the Pointe. Okay guys, so we are here at the Pointe. This is located nearby Atlantis, okay? As you can see in front of me, the iconic building. There you go. And guys, the best part of this place is the fountain show, and it is going to start right now. So let me show you the fountain. So guys, this was the best part of the video, and most of the people, they come here just to watch this show. So anytime you're visiting this place, the Pointe, this is must watch show, the fountain show. आप लोगों ने जैसा देखा यहाँ पे अभी मास्क हम लोग लगाए हुए हैं, तो स्टे सेफ गाइस, बिकॉज अगर हम लोग जा रहे हैं कहीं बाहर, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हम लोग सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशन नहीं लिए हुए हैं. वी आर ऑलवेज यूजिंग मास्क आउटसाइड ऑल्सो. Go, stand.
I want to sit there.
You want to sit there?
Yeah.
Really? Which horse?
Any.
Select the horse.
Hey, we can sit here.
You can sit.
In this chair.
Yeah, you can sit. No, no, I don't want. Oh shit, Sami, let's run, man. इससे पहले कि नजर पड़ जाए मैडम की, भागो. As you can see guys, the Palm Jumeirah also have this monorail facility. The route is 3 miles long and runs from the gateway station in Al Souf to the Atlantis hotel. Now we are going back. Okay, bye bye. Alright guys, so it's time to go home, and hope you guys have enjoyed this place, and let's meet you guys all again in my next video. Till then, take care and stay home, stay safe. Always use precautions. Do not go outside without mask and gloves. Take care. Bye bye.